Wala pa sila. Sarap. I'll get na my share. Isa na lang. Hindi na darating yung mga yun.
Hi, Rico!
Wow, Greenwich!
Give in to your taste, give in to Greenwich.
Oh, give in na.
Dirty ka na, love. Gusto mo siyang laging malinis, pero sa likod, muli siyang nakakapulot ng germs. Dirty! Kaya ba siyang i-protect ng white soap mo against germs? Among the leading white soaps, only Safeguard White provides superior skin germ protection.
Safeguard reduces more skin germs and prevents them from coming back longer than other leading white soaps. That's why more mothers trust it for their little ones and for protection from body odor, wound, and pimple infection.
For protection all over, choose only the white soap that safeguards best.
Nescafe, the world's favorite coffee, takes your family to a spellbinding trip. The return of the Wax Museum. A big family treat that's bigger, better, entertaining, educational, with 120 never-before-seen world celebrity figures. July 15 to December 31 at the Festival Supermall Philinvest Alabang. Come and visit the return of the Wax Museum. Another 60th anniversary treat from Nescafe.
Nahuli ko rin ang sikreto sa kalusugan ng aking pamilya.
Kraft Miracle Whip, now fortified with vitamin A for good health and eyesight.
Huling-huli ang panlasa, pati ang sustansya ng vitamin A.
Hi, mahangin ba sa labas?
Hindi. Bumabagad na naman. Baka akala niya hindi ako nagpupudry. Di sapat ang shampoo lang. After every shampoo, use Cream Silk para ang buhaghag kontrolado. Its rich protein balanced formula conditions your hair right where you need it. Buhok ay mas madulas. Maayos tignan. Kaya ba yan ng shampoo lang? Cream Silk for super beautiful hair.
Wala pa sila. Sarap. I'll get na my share. Isa na lang. Hindi na darating yung mga yun.
Hi, Rico!
Wow, Greenwich!
Give in to your taste, give in to Greenwich.
Oh, give in na.
This program is brought to you by Greenwich. Pinakilig na nila kayo noon. Pakikiligin ulit nila kayo ngayon. Ang masayang tambalan ni na Marvin at Julina. Tameme sa isa't isa.
Butch, okay ka lang ba talaga?
Hindi kasi ako makahinga eh.
Bakit?
Andiyan ka kasi.
At sina Claudine at Rico, may pangakong magpapaiyak sa inyo.
Hindi kita dapat idinamay sa mga problema ko. Nang dahil sa akin, nagulo ko ang buhay mo.
Akala ko ba mahal mo ko?
Oo, ang inyong paboritong love stories tuwing hapon ay mapapanood nyo na sa Flames the Movie. It's an original broadcast premiere from Star Cinema Presents, Sabado, alas 7 ng gabi. Narito na naman po ang bagong schedule ng Bonus Bingo Raffle Jackpot. Sa sanglinggo na po sila. Tuwing Sabado, sa July 4, 5 kotseng bagong-bago ang jackpot. Sa July 11, 5 kotse na naman. Sa July 18, 5 kotse pa uli. Sa July 25, 5 kotse na naman. At sa August 25, 5 kotse pang bagong-bago. 25 brand new cars sa loob ng 5 Sabado. Katakot-takot na jackpot sa Expo Filipino Bonus Bingo Raffle. Exclusive sa sanglinggo na po sila. Kaya bili ng inyong mga bingo cards ngayon na.
Jollibee Criscut Gimme 5!
When you order any lang Hapsarap Burger Value Meal plus 5 pesos lang, ang regular price magiging Criscut na! Kaya give it 5 na sa Jollibee!
Now, another set of diamond solitaire necklaces will be raffled off. So get ready for the Nescafe Grand Celebration Grand Prizes second preliminary draw on August 1. What's more, these state-of-the-art audio and communication showcases will be up for grabs. So what are you waiting for? Send your entries now to the Nescafe Grand Celebration Grand Prizes.
Just when your friends were around,
your family soap let you down.
Pero naligo naman ako this morning.
Remember, washing away germs is not enough to keep you fresh. Next time, use Rexona with the Osterol Max after bathing for longer-lasting deodorant protection. So throughout your day, Rexona keeps you smelling clean and fresh.
You got confidence the whole day through. Cause Rexona won't let you down.
Milo, packed with vitamins, minerals, and Olympic energy.
Milo every day!
Before, 100 brushstrokes was the way to make hair shine.
Now, one nourishing shampoo lavishes me with one-of-a-kind pampering. My locks super rich.
With nourishing oil complex, Lux nourishes deep inside. Shines like 100 brushstrokes.
I love this Lux.
The luxury of glorious shiny hair.
Uy, pansit Pinoy, palabok fiesta. Ngayon'y tinimplahan na ng bagong sarsa. Hipon, tinapa, chicharon at iba pa. Sa Jollibee, tikman nyo na palabok fiesta.
Naniniwala ka bang may anghel? Alam mo ba ang totoong hitsura nila? Talaga nga bang ang bawat tao'y may anghel de la guardia? Tayo ng tunghayan ng mga espiritu ng kalangitan kasama si Ernie Baron sa Knowledge Power. Linggo, alas 5:30 ng hapon. Kagandahay inamkin, kapalit ng sumpa.
Wala ka nang magagawa. Mamamatay si Adela.
Hindi ko man kayang salungatin ang sumpa ni Brunilda. Susubukin kong pagaanin ang bisa noon.
Walang halimaw dito. Si Adela siya.
Tunay na pag-ibig lamang ang makapagpapalaya.
Kapag ako ang tumitingin sa isang tao, hindi lang mata ang gamit ko, pati puso.
Sinasabi ko na nga, be. Hindi mangyayari sa akin ito kung walang nakikialam.
Hindi ko maiiwan si Adela.
Naawa ka lang tuloy. Sabihin mo nga kung ano ang nasa loob ng iyong puso kapag maling damdamin ng laman niyan. Kamatayan ang katapat niyan para kay Adela at sa iyo.
Once upon a time, ngayong linggo, alas 7 ng gabi.
Arnold puts a smile in every Happy Meal. And from Disney's new full-length movie Mulan, now at theaters, come characters that let you share in the daring adventure story of brave Mulan. In each McDonald's Happy Meal you buy, there's one Mulan action toy.
Para maging soft and manageable ang hair, kailangan ng extra moisture. Get it from Palmolive Naturals with cocoa milk. Yang sa akin, healthy pa sa hair ko. Now, Palmolive Naturals Advanced Technology captures the hiyang caring of cocoa milk in a bottle. Palmolive Naturals with 5 natural ingredients to choose from to give your hair extra body, softness, and smoothness. May isang Palmolive Naturals na hiyang sa'yo. Palmolive Naturals. Gandang hiyang sa'yo, healthier sa hair mo.
Hey, let's have a Pepsi. 2 Pepsis, please.
Now what?
I've got to have my Pepsi.
But how?
No problem.
So, how do we get in?
No problem. Okay, let's go. Give me the keys.
Keys? You got the keys.
No problem.
Pukpukan sa overtime.
Labanan! Mag-Enervon araw-araw. Vitamin C plus B-complex. Pang-resistensya, panlaban sa pagod at puyat.
I-Enervon mo na.
Enervon. Energy to the extreme.
Bareta pa rin ba ang gamit mo?
Ipinakikilala, new improved aksyon. New aksyon may dual grease stripping system. Tanggal ang sebo, Kahit sa plastic, mas mabilis, mas magaling. New improved action, the Grease Stripper.
Dirt, dust, smog. All these land on your face. What's a girl to do? Clean up. Dirt and oil can block your pores and lead to skin irritation. You need Johnson's Pure Essentials Facial Cleanser. Wipes away dirt and oil before they block your pores.
May I?
Sure. Johnson's Pure Essentials Facial Cleanser. Thorough clean for glowing skin.
Ronald puts a smile in every Happy Meal. And from Disney's new full-length movie Mulan, now at theaters, come characters that let you share in the daring adventure story of brave Mulan. In each McDonald's Happy Meal you buy, there's one Mulan action toy.
Ngayong Sabado sa Magandang Gabi, Bayan! Gaano katotoo ang bintang ng 3 sospek sa pangre-rape at pagpatay sa 9 na taong gulang na si Clarice Joy San Pedro na tinorture sila ng mga tauhan ng WPD kaya inamin ang karumal-dumal na krimen? At matibay ba ang mga ebidensya laban sa 3? Nagkamali nga ba ang East Avenue Medical Center sa pag-oopera kina Mary Jane Co at Menchi Dira kaya lumalabas ang dumi sa kanilang puwerta? Ano ang vibration ng mga feng shui masters sa katauhan ni President Joseph Estrada at paano ito makakaapekto sa kanyang pamumuno? At paano nag-alaed sa revolution ang mga taga-Olongapo upang makamit ang temporary restraining order na nag-uutos na huwag tanggalin si Gordon bilang chairman ng SBMA? Siguradong nagbabaga na naman ang pagtalakay ni kabayang Noli De Castro sa Magandang Gabi, Bayan! Sabado, alas 5:30 ng hapon. This Saturday in Sports Unlimited, scooter racing is taking the local community by storm. Join us as we take you again to the Carmona Racing Circuit for the staging of a first-of-its-kind vehicle race in the country. Plus, we'll find out Judy Ann's sports list. These and more in Sports Unlimited, Saturday, 11 p.m.
Bakit sente si Tupi?
Paano kung malaman mo na magkamag-anak pala kayo ng girlfriend mo? Anong gagawin mo?
Nako!
Lolo Jose, kasama ko yung girlfriend ko.
Meron ako lolong Jose kang pupot at kung kayo ngayon, ibig sabihin magkamag-anak kami ng Tupi at kailangan kami maghiwalay.
Wow! Ang bigat ng problema nito. May solusyon ba? Cable, ang bagong TV. Linggo, alas 11 ng umaga.
This program is brought to you by Pantene Pro-V with Pro Vitamin B5.
Wala pa sila. Sarap. I'll get na my share. Isa na lang. Hindi na darating yung mga yun.
Hi, Rico! Wow, Greenwich!
Give in to your taste, give in to Greenwich.
Oh, give in na.
Sa reunion ng Pamilya Liwag, may kanya-kanyang dala.
Ma, matamis ini! Buwan manang, pangmaramihan yan!
Pampasig na to!
Florida OJ!
Kung saan-saan nagmula, tuklak ang dala. Ito lang ang may OJ88. Sa dami ng natitimpla, pangmaramihan talaga.
Ang mari hanggang sa hulo, tuklak aming paborito!
Tuklak, paboritong orange drink ng Pinoy.
Colgate gives you maximum cavity protection. Imagine this is your tooth, and this black acids that weaken teeth. Colgate's unique 2-fluoride and calcium formula fights black acids, makes teeth stronger. No tooth decay.
Happy na happy, esa sa bagada.
Chippy is the generic name of bog tea.
2 women, one lost, and the other gained. One thing they've learned together, it's never to trust the hand that rocks the cradle.
My husband makes love to you, it's my face he sees. When your baby's hungry, it's my breast that feeds him. Look at you. When push comes to shove, you can't even breathe.
Saturday, 9 p.m. on Studio 23 presents.
The hand that rocks the cradle is the hand that rules the world.
Alam mo, sa daily life shows, dapat alive ang hair mo. Hindi dry at walang dandruff.
Head & Shoulders may extra conditioning so you can use it every day.
Kaya everyday, magandang hair ko.
G, you're next. Wala pa sila. Sarap. I'll get na my share. Isa na lang. Hindi na darating yung mga yun.
Hi, Rico!
Wow, Greenwich! Given to your taste, given to Greenwich.
Oh, give in na. This program is brought to you by Greenwich. Sa unang linggo ng Hulyo, hot and spicy chikahan ang hain namin sa inyo. Chika all you can sa first exclusive interview ng bagong First Lady, Dr. Loy Ejercito, plus surprise intrigang inihaw sa Showbiz Inside Stories. Natatakam ka na ba? Salo na sa Showbiz Lingo Plus! Ngayong linggo, alas 4 ng hapon. Going somewhere this Sunday? Maybe you would like to go to Santa Lucia East Mall and join Jao together with our Palmolive VJs. It's a real electrifying experience with the power of two voices, Jaya and Kuladesma combined with our nasty force. Get dazed by the soundtrack of Disney's Mulan by Philippines' very own Lea Salonga. And Artist of the Month, Dayanara Torres, strikes you up once more. Ain't that enough to keep you from going somewhere this Sunday? ASAP is Sunday at 12.
How do you know you have healthy skin? Try this test now. If you can scratch a line on your skin, you've lost lipids, skin's natural protection that soap washes away. After bathing, use Vaseline Intensive Care Lotion with triple lipid complex. Vaseline's unique TLC restores lipids and that healthy glow. Pass the healthy skin test with Vaseline Intensive Care Lotion. TLC for healthy glowing skin.
Who says you can't drink and drive? Now, with Lipovitan's Drink and Drive, you can drink and drive a brand new Pajero. Write name, address, and signature on any piece of paper. Put inside the Lipovitan cap, sealed, drop and drop boxes. 4 Pajeros and millions will be given away in 4 grand draws. Go ahead, drink and drive. Drink regularly.
Hey man, times like these we need a Juicy.
Juicy fruit gum. Softer, juicier, mas malinamnam.
Whoops.
Times like these, you need Juicy fruit gum.
Mas malinamnam.
Hayop ba ang gutom mo? Etong sibog na hayop ang bilis magpabusog. Quick Bites, snacks in a snap. Only from 7-Eleven. Every corner, every hour, everything.
Now, another way to enjoy Milo.
Ready to drink Milo. Bring it to school or wherever you go. Olympic energy on the go.
Ready to drink Milo is packed with Olympic energy. Great for school kids who are always on the go. Delicious, nutritious, chocolate.
Ready to drink Milo. Olympic energy on the go.
This is a police! Show yourself, Godzilla!
Guess who's coming to KFC? Stomp on into KFC for a Godzilla Kids meal and get a free state-of-the-art Godzilla action toy. See the movie, then get the toys at KFC.
Hi, kitty.
No, hindi yan. Yes, mag-Suave hair dressing and conditioner araw-araw. Sa small amount, buhok ay mas malambot, mas makintab, instantly manageable. Kaya, from sex kitten to pussycat, celebrity look ka in just minutes. Ganda! See? You can teach young ladies old tricks.
Suave, bilis lambot kintab, bilis celebrity look.
This program is brought to you by Pantene Pro-V with Pro Vitamin B5.
Ronald puts a smile in every Happy Meal. And from Disney's new full-length movie Mulan, now at theaters, come characters that let you share in the daring adventure story of Brave Mulan. In each McDonald's Happy Meal you buy, there's one Mulan action toy.
Chocolate brings you the Dolphin Double Spectacular. 2 cute and talented dolphins will do funny yet amazing tricks. 2 dolphins mean double the fun. Watch them make a splash from June 7 to July 6 at the Ayala Center. Get a close-up and wiggle your way to fun with the Dolphin Double Spectacular. From Chowking, Pepsi, and the coolest, chocolatiest drink in town. That's why it's called Chocolate.
The quest for the Olympic gold begins today. Join the Adidas Sydney Olympic Odyssey. Every pair of Adidas shoes you buy is your contribution to Team Philippines. Every pair, your chance to win a trip for 2 to the Sydney Olympics. Help win the race for glory. Join the Adidas Sydney Olympic Odyssey.
Why are so many people using Close-Up?
Nothing cleans like it.
It's got vitamins.
Millions of them.
My teeth are clean.
Miss, sarap sa bibig, di ba?
I like the taste. Close-Up's got mouthwash.
When you're close to someone, dapat may fresh breath ka.
It's got fluoride.
Full of fluoride.
My dentist says fluoride is great for teeth.
Parang di magkasira ang ipin. Bye.
Ha? Siyempre fan pag may sira ang ngipin. Why Close-Up? Because it's more than a fluoride toothpaste. It's complete.
Close-Up for strong, white teeth, freshest breath.
Si Jake, first year pa lang, crush ko na.
Kung bakit ka ganyan.
Pero he doesn't even know I exist.
Kausapin at di pa namamansin.
Sabi dito, type ng guys long hair. Kaso, ang hirap magpahaba. Bumibigat eh. Buti, I found Ivory. Walang pampabigat. So hair is never sticky nor heavy. Habang humahaba, magaan. Sumusunod sa hangin.
Mahal kita, mahal kita.
Nung second year,
Is that a new girl?
Hindi ka man lang sana.
is this seat taken?
Yes. I was saving it for you.
Langit na, ako'y nasa langit na.
Kahit long hair, kapag Ivory mild, ang gaan ang feeling.
Ronald puts a smile in every Happy Meal. And from Disney's new full-length movie Mulan, now at theaters, come characters that let you share in the daring adventure story of Brave Mulan. In each McDonald's Happy Meal you buy, there's one Mulan action toy.
This program is brought to you by Pantene Pro-V with Pro Vitamin B5.
Health is a hot issue. Lagi akong bilad sa init ng araw. Kaya naluluto ang buhok ko. So I use Pantene Pro-V every day. It's pro-vitamin rich kaya buhok ay laging protektado sa init. It's hot to be healthy.
Free detergent sample. Sinubukan ni Mrs. Lea Daguno.
Wala pa akong na-encounter na ganitong powder. Ako, na-disgrasya yung anak ko. Nahulog sa bike, ang daming dugo sa dating brand. Ang tagal kong magbabad. Pero dito, sandali lang. Sabi ko, marami na rin akong nabiling powder na sabon. Parang iba to. Saka sabi ko kung anong brand man to, papalitan ko na yung dati ko.
Gusto niyong malaman, Mrs.?
Oo nga.
Oh, Mrs., eto na.
Ay, Breeze! Imported ba na Breeze to? Ang galing ha? Pag nilabas siya sa market, siguradong dudumugin nila ng tao.
New Breeze XL Plus. Kay Mrs. ito na ang bagong batayan.
Ang preskong bango ng germicidal soap ko na luma na. Introducing New Palmolive Fresh. New Palmolive Fresh. The same Palmolive na perfectly balanced with derma protectors. To moisturize skin and protect it from germs. Ngayon, may bagong Rain Fresh fragrance para sa bangong kay presko. New Palmolive Fresh with derma protectors. Proteksyon kay ganda, bangong kay presko.
Tayo'y mga Pinoy, tayo'y hindi kano. Huwag kang mahihiya kung ang iniinom ay pa! Tayo'y mga Pinoy, tayo'y hindi kano. Huwag kang mahihiya kung ang iniinom ay pa!
Sino yan?
Bond. James Bond.
Smoking! Gusto ba?
can bring more entertainment and more information into your home. Sky Cable, with more movies than any other network. Sky Cable is the choice of more households. The biggest show on air.
Our Sky neighbors have all the fun.
Wala pa sila. Sarap. I'll get na my share. One more. Sobrang sarap. Isa na lang. Last ko na to. Hindi na darating yung mga yun.
Hi, Rico!
Greenwich! Give in to your taste. Give in to Greenwich.
Oh, give in na. My first pictures of Tina, her hair was gorgeous.
Her hair is nourished with Sunsilk for slow-growing hair with Nutrilife Complex. It has powerful nutrients that make nature flourish. With continued use, hair is nourished.
When she became a cover girl, her hair was more beautiful. And even more beautiful, now that she's up there, she just keeps getting better.
Buhok na paganda ng paganda with Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo.
Okay, girls, let's strip!
Wow! Bakit magnet?
Smooth, ha? Ang dami ng sayo. Thank you, ha?
Pond's Clear Pore Strip lifts blackheads just
Just blackheads?
This program is brought to you by Greenwich. Ngayong Sabado sa Magandang Gabi, Bayan! Gaano katotoo ang bintang ng 3 sospek sa pangre-rape at pagpatay sa 9 na taong gulang na si Clarice Joy San Pedro na tinorture sila ng mga tauhan ng WPD kaya inamin ang karumal-dumal na krimen? At matibay ba ang mga ebidensya laban sa 3? Nagkamali nga ba ang East Avenue Medical Center sa pag-oopera kina Mary Jane Co at Menchi Bira kaya lumalabas ang dumi sa kanilang puwerta? Ano ang vibration ng mga feng shui masters sa katauhan ni President Joseph Estrada at paano ito makakaapekto sa kanyang pamumuno? At paano nag-ala EDSA Revolution ang mga taga-Olongapo upang makamit ang temporary restraining order na nag-uutos na huwag tanggalin si Gordon bilang chairman ng SBMA? Siguradong nagbabaga na naman ang pagtalakay ni kabayang Noli de Castro sa Magandang Gabi, Bayan! Sabado, 5:30 ng hapon.